Hi everyone, my name is Richard Monson-Haefel. Welcome to my course, Working with Java Data Types and String APIs for the Java SE Developer Certification Exam, 1Z0819. I'm a software engineer and architect who's been working with the Java programming language since its first release in 1996. Java 11 is the most popular programming language today, and development teams all over the world have been adopting Java 11 for new development. Certifying that you know Java 11 is critical to the success of any Java developer. In this course, we're going to learn what you need to know for the exam about Java data types, string APIs, math APIs, and the new date and time types. Before beginning the course, you should already be familiar with the Java programming language and Java SE 8. I hope that you'll join me on this journey to learn everything you need to know about some of the major topics in Java 11 certification exam with the Working with Java Data Types and String APIs course here at Pluralsight.